Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaningservices.com. 2-3 days ago, I made a video taking out Dakota for a walk. In that video, I was talking about how to advertise your business, and one of the tips that I was saying is to open your Google My Business Google or Google My Business. That's a really good platform, free or off charge, if you want to add some advertising and Google can place your postings in a higher level on Google search. You can pay them, okay? But it's free, it's good, easy to manage. If I did it myself, you can do it. I'm assured that you can do it. What I love about Google My Business is because it gives you the opportunity to upload short videos, 60-second video, put a lot of photos. You can manage the photos. You can also have a link where current clients or past clients will give you some reviews. Right now, I'm putting some screen of my Google My Business, and this is the open or home page from my Google business, that is Any House Cleaning Services in Championsgate and Davenport, Florida. In your left side will appear my address and everything. So people are looking for cleaning services in your area. You are more propense to be hired by someone who lives close to you, or not the person who lives close to you, close where is located the business. As I mentioned before, Google needs to verify your address, and it will send you a postcard with a code that you have to confirm. As soon as you are verified business, you can networking with another people that you can rank in Google. It will appear in your right side the latest reviews. Okay, so you can manage them and you can reply. It's really good to reply them so you can be in touch with all the people that have reviewed your business. Currently, I have 4.7 stars. Why? Because I'm not a Benjamin Franklin bill that everybody loves. I have competitions in my area, and I was another company that does vacation homes that did a bad review. She said that I quote some amount, and then she called me back, and I said I don't remember to quote you that. In my opinion, it's not a valid review, but I don't pay any company, or I don't have any pay applications that will rank my Google business only 5 stars. You have to know that there is some applications that you have to pay, of course, that it will give you the control of Google Ads and the Google reviews. In this case, I will talk about Google reviews. You pay that company and you send your client the link to rate you. In case the person is so satisfied with your service, that person is going to put 5 stars. You are great. And that company is going to put that review inside your Google My Business. What happens if the person just put 3 stars? As soon as they hit and they put just 3 stars because they arrived late, for example, that company will reply to that client, oh, how can we improve your experience? and that posting doesn't appear in your Google My Business. It's a really good strategy to have, but I don't like it. First of all, because I have to pay. Let me be honest with you. There is so many great applications, so many good stuff right now to increase your views, increase your ads, increase the approach to the future client that you have to pay so many people. And that's the reason why I decide, until now, maybe tomorrow will change, but until now I decide to put all my effort and my little knowledge, even though it takes me a lot of time. But I decide that because I don't have enough money to invest in advertising. That's the reason why I do videos. I do a great job because my best advertising is word of mouth. So you can, if you have the money to invest, hire or buy an app that will manage your Google business review, and it will say just 5 stars. Okay? So don't be naive. And customers are learning day by day, and they don't have to be naive. Say, oh, 5 star, everybody loves them. Okay, do they really love them? It may be a really good company, it might be a really good service. But once in a while, we have people that they don't like us, or something happened, or we have to postpone, or we have to cancel, or I don't know. It's even your competition that is putting bad reviews on your Google business, and that will jeopardize. But if you have really good clients, if you have been working really hard in your company and do your best and put your heart into your work, those little competition or those little envy to your business won't affect for your reviews. Okay? So another thing that I want to talk is this. You can see, right here, I don't know if you can see here, there is a link that Google gives you, and you say, do you want to get more reviews? Share your business profile and get new reviews from customers. Click and copy this link. So you're gonna click and copy and send it to your phone, to your WhatsApp, to your email, so you have it ready to share. The next time that you do a service, just tell your client, I'm gonna send you this page. I would love to have a review from you, even though you don't know me enough. But can you tell others your experience, how it was, how you contact me, how fast I answer your request. It's really important for that. Okay? Another thing is, on your left side, you can see your insights. So let's see this. Okay. Right here in 1 month, just this percent, 6.7%, have found me on Google directly by my name or the address of my business. If they put any house cleaning service in Champions Gate and Davenport, Florida, I will appear. But how about this? 93.2% have been discovered my business through Google or other search engine. Remember that Google is right now huge. It's the best search engine, I believe. So take advantage of this tool that is free. Let me talk about posting. You can reach more customers through post. You can even, as I said, you can even put a short video, 60 seconds. If you can do videos because, I don't know, you don't know how, open a Word and put some photos. If you don't like to take photos, it's alright. Take a pen, put a paper, and say, I clean houses. Try me out. My phone number is something. And take a picture of that. You have a cell phone already. You can upload that. There is no excuse. For real. If you go to my Facebook, I have a couple photos when I was writing on the paper. And I was so excited because this project I have it soon, and I took a photo and I put it on my Facebook. That's true story, okay? So there is so many ways and free ways to advertise your business. You can put photos and you can put videos, okay? And you're gonna see how many people are seeing your postings or your videos. I have been working in Google My Business really hard, like a month and a half. And I have great reviews. Most of the people have been looking for me, just doing some tags like home cleaning near me or something like that. Let me see another thing. Okay, here in inside, you're gonna see in 1 month how many users have been typing these words. This is a keyword. People are looking for house cleaning services near me. Home cleaners, granite cleaning, laundry service, house cleaners near me, rent a carpet cleaning, laundromat near me, house cleaning services, housekeeper. Okay, so this is the most keywords that you can take. That's those words that you are gonna incorporate into your ads or your posting. Okay, so I'm not lying. Check around. I have been working a lot on Google My Business, and I have been getting really good results. 32 people have visited my website. 1 person has requested my address. 13 people have called me just from Google My Business. And 0 people have texted me yet. Okay? This is just in 1 month. And besides working, and besides Facebook, and besides YouTube, I have been working in this great platform. I strongly suggest that you have to have Google Business. This is 15 calls that I have been receiving this week. Okay. Oh, it says 1 month. Let's see. 1 week. No, enough nada data. Okay. And you can also pay them to advertise. This is the views where people have been found our photos. You have a lot of information, okay? Shut off the TV, shut off the Netflix, and put to work your business. Sit down on your computer. If you don't have a computer, you can do it over your phone, okay? If I did it, you can do it, okay? So this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I really hope that this video will help you. Also, I was talking about that Google offer and do a website from you. 46 people have visited my website, okay? And the website that Google did it for me, I just paid $10 to do a domain. And this is the website. This is a button where people can click and they call or they contact or they get direction and get the call, make appointment and things like that. Or do a text message or a WhatsApp message. I love the way they create the website. I think it's more interactive with clients than my current website. So I'm using right now both. In that website, they will put all your updates, all the photos, and everything that you have been put it on Google My Business. Okay, so it's a great tool. Also, Google automatically will put all the testimonials. And 3 weeks ago, someone called, and I scheduled right away the cleaning services. And also, the future clients or your past client can put. Future clients can read more about your business, and past clients can write a great review for your cleaning company. I have to add something here. Yes, I have to upload more about us. I didn't do it. I have to do it. And this is the gallery of photos of your work. So I put a lot of images on for different kind of service, because my whole purpose is to show my future clients that I'm capable to do not only housekeeping but also carpet cleaning and tile cleaning, because I invest a lot of money in my track mount. Okay, business hours, direction, and contact. This is direct buttons. Okay, with a click they can call you. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I hope that this video will help you to increase the notice of your business. I will try to make this video in Spanish later on. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaningservices.com.